us a bunch of clips of what we've been doing in quarantine. Mommy.
Briar, what's the capital of Pennsylvania?
Baby Shark.
What have you been doing mostly? Stuck at home, no school. Well,
School.
Homeschool, but not going to school.
Outside a lot.
Outside a lot. What about you, Briar? You been at? Huh? Playing a game? You like to ride your four-wheeler? Your motorcycle?
Motorcycle. Hey, what's Daddy getting you inside? Pickles. Daddy's getting you a pickle? Yeah. She is? Yeah. Yeah?
Well, you don't need to get your bike out yet. We're gonna feed the ducks first.
They're coming at us.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he is. Look at those.
Wow.
You see the babies?
What are they doing? Oh, the babies.
Hey.
My hand is frozen.
They're not gonna attack you. Watch it. Here, just give me a little piece. Watch. Liam, watch. Look at it. Oh, he is sassing me, boy. Here. Are you feeding them? I don't think you can because the parents are too protective. You give them a treat? What are we doing right now? Are we feeding the ducks?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Baby. Named Donald.
His name's Baby and Donald.
Donald. Come here. Aw, it's so close.
Watch the poop.
I'm gonna make a line of it.
All right, go ahead and throw it to him. There you go. Good job.
It's okay. I want to feed a baby.
There.
Dad, you see the one that I just fed? This guy that's waddling his head?
Yeah.
I'm trying to feed all of their babies, and then this guy just comes in and takes every piece I throw. Well, it fell off. Briar, say that, please.
I feel like these are different babies. They look bigger.
They're growing now.
Well, they didn't grow since like 20 minutes ago.
Whoa.
This guy's coming in. Oh, we did it. That's it, we're all done. See the turtle?
Stay right here. You gotta stand right here by Daddy.
I want to catch it. No. I want to catch it.
Oh, there's another
There's
one.
another one. I thought that was one.
Yeah, that was the first one that went in. If you're enjoying this video, tell everybody what to do, Briar. Say subscribe. Did you say subscribe?
Subscribe.
A motorcycle.
We don't have for you. Where's more?
Alright, let's go for a walk.
Okay. I'm a school bus driver, and then there's all the kids. Yeah.
I think the geese are following us. Liam, not too close. No, you gotta stay here.
I love bananas.
Liam, what's the capital of Pennsylvania?
Harrisburg?
Oh.
What was that?
It was a bee.
What kind? Like a carpenter's? Bumblebee?
No, it's probably just a bumblebee.
Or a wasp?
No, it wasn't a wasp.
It's baby bumblebee.
You see the frog? You see him? It's a toad. You see him?
That is a toad. Baby toad.
Oh, he's letting me get really close.
A frog?
Yeah.
I'll see it. Whoa.
There he goes. You go bye-bye?
I want to pet him.
See the babies?
Give me. I want this one. It's screaming. They're going over the tree. Something wrong with you. Is it a car alarm? Is it a car alarm? Like that. Mine.
It's not a seagull.
Still, it looks like. Come on. What's happening?
What's your name? Where were you on the night of the 5th?
Breakfast.
There's the sweet queen. Happy Mother's Day. Was that bird poop?
No. That's not bird
Oh,
poop.
there's bird poop.
Oh no, that's
That's a leaf.
There's bird poop over there. And there's bird poop right there. Gross.
Ready?
We got our Mother's Day flowers. Right, Liam?
Yes.
Are you alright?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna drop the shovel.
You're gonna dig a hole right here.
Like this? Didn't we plant one right here?
We planted peppers here last year.
Okay.
The rest are just seeds, so I don't even know if they're gonna come up or not. We got that Mother's Day dinner. She didn't want me to cook, so I wasn't gonna argue. Uncle Jacob is soaking wet.
I want that one.
I can't see.
Sun's out, guns out. Am I right, Liam?
I guess so.
Why are you shooting my shoe?
What
are you doing? I thought we were on a team.
I thought we were on a team.
Please.
No, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh no. Oh, no.
This place I will take on a bath.
Is that lemon?
Yeah, it's great. I'm gonna bite into it.
What are you making?
Okay, no, cool. Oh, but you're going go away.
What are you making?
I don't know.
What is that?
Spider.
A spider. Wow. That's my lobster. Oh, I know that's my lobster.
There you go. What do you want to?
This is an elephant. I sound the way the strongest. The baby. Where is it? Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Goodbye! Meow.
Did the chicken cross the road?
Chicken and country wild.
Thumbs up, dude.
Thumbs up.
Cool.